Look how yummy this cheese puff is. For those of you who are looking for a nice coffee and dessert place, meron ng restaurant cafe ang Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory here in Estancia Mall. We tried their hot latte and hazelnut iced coffee. And we also ordered this rare cheese puff. Okay din yung na-order naming coffee, matapang but not the creamy type. Mas order na sa akin ng coffee kapag may mga desserts na ganito. This rare cheese puff is soft choux pastry topped with parmesan crust, filled with nama cream and refreshing sourness of cream cheese. This chocolate milk pie naman is for a limited time only, kaya tinikman na namin. For me, medyo kulang sa pagka-flaky pero masarap yung chocolate cream. Not too sweet for me, which is a plus, pero mas type ko yung vanilla cream. Ito talaga yung pinaka nilulook forward ng kids ko. Their souffle fluffy pancakes. Medyo matagal lang ito gawin, mga around 30 minutes ang waiting time if you want to taste this. We ordered this original Japanese pancake, so fluffy. Tingnan nyo naman, nahiya pang mag-cut yung son ko kasi baka masira niya. This is so soft and fluffy. Hindi siya lasang mamon like the other fluffy pancakes na natikman ko. Nako, instantly wiped out to kasi sobrang nagustuhan ng son ko. But ako, medyo old-fashioned ako, mas gusto ko pa rin yung mga Maya pancakes. They also have food selections kaya pwede na rin mag-lunch and dinner dito. Ang mga nagustuhan ko dito are their cheese puffs and yung mga cheese biscuits. Expensive lang talaga siya kaya paminsan-minsan ko lang natitikman pero worth it naman. Sobrang winner sa akin yung crust ng rare cheese puff. Ang sarap. Kayo, have you tried Tokyo Milk Cheese Factory?